Hey guys, it's Jimenez with Briggs, Freeman, Sotheby's International Realty. Today we are in North Richland Hills, just 15 minutes from downtown Fort Worth. We're at some beautiful townhomes, CB JENI. They're starting at around $350,000. They're offering incredible closeout incentives. You won't want to miss it. Let's go take a look inside. Alright guys, as always, if you like what you're watching, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is the neighborhood we're in North Richland Hills, right next to Medical City, North Hills. Got some food, a little bit of entertainment right here with easy access to the freeway. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this model home. Again, these are starting at exactly $344,000. They're offering a ton of closeout incentives. You guys are going to love what you see inside. Let's go ahead and take a look. And here we are in the new unit. This is a 3-bedroom. Bedrooms are located upstairs. Just giving you a quick glance. Got the living room here to your left. Great size, tons of natural lighting. We love the wood floor. It's opened up to the dining room. Tons of space for a large table. Facing the kitchen, we have stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops. Got a half bath located down here and a great sized pantry. Let's head upstairs. Upon going upstairs, you're greeted by a spacious second living room or media room. Got the closet for the laundry, full size. And let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Nice and spacious. Huge king bed centered. Again, tons of natural lighting. Let's take a look at that restroom. Got dual vanities, matching quartz countertops, tiled shower. Look at this closet. Very spacious. High ceilings, we got racks all the way up top. Let's head to the guest wing. Guest bedroom number 1, kind of using it as an office in this staging. More natural light, walk-in closet. And guest bedroom number 2, nice and spacious. Another walk-in closet. Guest restroom here. Dual vanity again. So what do you guys think about the build? If you like it or have any questions, please reach out. My phone number is 940-597-1641. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.